slap, your eardrum will receive a lot. Are you mad?
What have I done to you?
Come on, shut up your mouth and say what have I done to you? I'm on television, get an yes. Eh? Come back here! I'm talking to you.
Hey.
I'm talking to you and you're trying to walk out on me.
Ndidi.
What's your business? How I said to dance on the road?
Leave me.
What is
Who is holding you?
What is the problem? Eh?
And you? What is it? Is she related to you? Why are you asking me such stupid questions?
If she's not related to me, you will now beat her. You call me.
Obasale? What business of yours is it?
Who do you think you are in this village?
And who do you think you are? See, listen, don't ever talk to me anyhow because I don't have any business with you. If you try that, I will beat you blue, black, green, yellow, purple. Do you understand? I'm talking to you.
You're talking to me?
Yes. Can you hear me? You.
You.
Did I
will beat you in this village. Eh? Don't worry.
Okay, don't mind her. Let's go.
Brother,
let's go.
Sister.